Ladies and gentlemen, this is Cyclone, Victoria Falls World Challenge Pigeon Race 2018, number 486. And he's arguably one of the best Kaasboer cocks in South Africa. He was a top racer as a young bird. He finished 4th best young bird overall, and I think he was 6th best bird overall in the union. And then he was put to stock. He breeds winners and top 20 ace pigeons with any hen mated to. He's a direct son of the famous Little Heidi, who was the grandmother of Wicked, the famous Sapper superstar and ace pigeon, and was first time sold for 250,000 rand to King and Gys Lou. As you can see, he's got a rich yellow eye, and he's also got the big black ring underneath the eyelid, which some of the fanciers look for. This cock will breed many more champions, and he crosses super with the Darausa blonde lines in my loft and also with the Beskittle. This cock is still 100% fertile, and ladies and gentlemen, this is a very, very special pigeon.